Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya, Side Gig Crafts. Guys, we are on our next entries. I'm going to do two today because I got a couple in the mail, and I'm going to go ahead and do these two at the same time. This is for my birthday giveaway, my challenge giveaway. I'm asking for an ATC and a postcard. The time is running out. We're getting close to the end. The 31st of August is the last day to have your entry postmarked. So make sure that if you're planning on entering that you get that in soon. Just asking for a postcard and ATC, a postcard coming from your location, your area, your state, even your country, whatever, your hometown, that's fine. And if you don't have a postcard from your area, just make one and tell me a little bit about it. I'd love to see it. I've loved the entries so far, and I'm just so blessed to be sharing those with you. So make sure that you check the rules in the description box for the information that you need as far as my shipping address and all the prizes and everything that goes with it. We will be having a drawing soon in September for probably the first week for the prizes that we are giving away. So if you're interested in winning a free journal from me, make sure that you read the description and get your entry in soon. So with that being said, let's get started with the first one. This first one is from, wait a minute, I wanted to do this one, Jovi, at Creating with Jovi, and I want to show you the envelope she sent. Look at this. Isn't this cute? It's got blue around the edges, little coffee cups or hot chocolate, however you look. Well, coffee, because it's coffee beans, and that's probably coffee. She washi taped it with little coffee beans. A cute envelope, Jovi. And she's got this beautiful washi tape on here. Let us see if we can. I don't think I'm going to be able to open it that way. Let's go do it this way. And Jovi is in Florida. And I'm on her design team and enjoying it very much. So make sure I don't cut anything. I'll slide my finger and make sure. And I'm just having so much fun with it. Can't wait to make my next project. I need to ask her for a new kit because I have about worn out the doilies one. And I finished my journal. So if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you check out the shorts. I've got a whole quick walkthrough of that journal that I made with using her digitals and some vintage ephemera and some papers. There's probably some papers from my stash too in there. I don't remember using those, but it's mostly vintage ephemera. So let's see what she sent. She's using this, looks like an article from June 1934. The Delineator. Oh, wow. 2 lovable frocks whose future is rosy if washed with pure ivory flakes. Telling you how to wash their tennis outfits. Are they both tennis outfits, I wonder? And an article called Forgotten Mother. I wonder what that's about. So this is for ivory flakes. Isn't that cool? Oh, and it tastes so good. Can it be effective? I wonder what this is. The chocolate is so smooth and velvety, you don't taste the faintest hint of medication. You hardly know you're taking medicine. And you wonder how anything so delicious can be an effective laxative. It's X-Lax. Look at that. Oh my word. That's how they describe it, huh? Velvety chocolate. Yuck. So funny. Okay, I love these old ads. Thank you, Jovi, for that. That made me laugh. Oh, and look at this. Look at this. Okay. She sent some goodies. Let's see what she's got here. This looks like a card. I'm going to take these out real quick because I want to see just the card. Look at how cute this is. She's got the little typewriter there. I was going to say typing machine. It's called a typewriter. And she's got this little picture strip. I think this is a Tim Holtz thing. So cute. I love how she used the striped glittery paper back there. She's got some washi tape on here. And this looks like probably some painty papers, like with her jelly print plate or something. And she's got, it's all metallic. So cool. I love this. And the flap opens up. It says, "Dear Tanya, happy birthday. I sent you a postcard from my state. But it's vintage. That perfect. I hope you like it. I hope your giveaway is a huge success. Your friend, Jovi." Oh, I love this. And it looks like glitter on there or in there. So cool how she did that. Look, the purple has glitter too. Made some glittery papers for me. I love that. And there's some printing on here too. Maybe she stamped it, or maybe that was a different kind of paper that has different information on there. Really cool, Jovi. Thank you so much. That's beautiful. And then she put this little card in there. Her little paper. That's beautiful. I love the roses, the bees. I'm allergic to bees, so it's cute. The bee is so cute. I do love the roses. I love the bee. I love the bee. It's pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then she's got some little pieces in here. Mr. Norman Macbeth lighting journal. So these are printed little, oh, these are like little letters. Oh, that's cool. Those will be fun to journal with or put in my in one of my books. That's awesome. And then this paper too. Lilies, roses, flowers. This, well, I just closed up that book. I'm going to start another one probably of flowery journals because I have so much that can go in there. So that's very pretty. Thank you so much. And then she's got a beautiful flamingo postcard. I absolutely adore it. Aren't they cute? And there's swans in here too, little black swans. And I think there might be, oh yeah, mallard ducks in there. I wonder if this is a real, I don't know. Let's see. And this is, let's see if we can read it. Hi, Margie, maybe? I don't know what this part says. Having a very nice vacation, but so hot here. See you soon. That's awesome. And it's post-stamped in Florida from 1958. I absolutely love this, Jovi. Thank you for sharing this with me. Adore it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then look at this girl. Look at this. This is her ATC card. And it says attitude. Jovi, I love you, but I don't see you as having a lot of attitude. You are the sweetest. You really are. This is beautiful, though. I think it feels like it's got that Florida vibe, doesn't it? I can see her skating down the road in Florida with palm trees and the hot weather. Do they have mountains there? I'm not sure. But I can totally see that as being from Florida. I love the colors. Thank you for that. And she's got edging around it, everything. So her channel is Creating with Jovi. And her birthday is in December. Her favorite colors are pink and yellow. She likes vintage, birds, beach, no particular style. But she's amazing with the collage, the swap and glue collages that she does. Magical. And she's has beautiful digitals and stuff too. So very creative. I love this. Thank you so, so much, Jovi, for your entry. I appreciate that so much. All right, let's see what this next one is. No, this next one is from Canada. This is from Callie in Canada. She sent, I'm going to cover this up. She sent the beautiful craft, and look, it's got a Canadian stamp. I don't think I have any Canadian stamps, so I'll be sure to keep that. Sunshine and Smiles, they covered up part of that, but that's probably okay. And she's got some beautiful washi. Oh, I love this envelope. This is a really pretty envelope. I'm going to have to cut it because, tap it, make sure I hopefully don't cut anything inside, but let's just trim back. I can't seem to get an edge off of there, so we'll just trim it carefully. Just a little sliver. Just a little sliver. Hopefully we didn't cut anything inside. Nope, we're good. Okay, take that. Oh, wow. Oh, Callie, wow, this is beautiful. Okay, let's see if there's a note or anything in here. Nope, there's no, nope, there's no note. But she made me a gorgeous, well, I'm glad her name was on the outside of the envelope. Otherwise, I wouldn't know who this was from. Beautiful British Columbia, and it is. She did some, looks like she cut her an oval out of a postcard-ish thing. I feel like she might have printed this, which is perfect. That's fine. But I'm trying to figure it out because this isn't spaced exactly like a postcard. So maybe she made this completely. I love it. And it's got gold detail around the edges. Really, really pretty. So this is where she's from, in Canada. I've never been to Canada. Beautiful British Columbia. So that is exciting. And I don't think I have any ATC cards from Canada either. So that's pretty special. Some beautiful rose stickers and some other little frames. Super cute. Thank you so much for sharing those. And let's learn a little bit about her. This is her ATC card. It says happy little moments. Love the flowers. Little hearts, XO. Oh, and little swan. How cute. It's got a little paper wing on there. I love that. And a stamp. Is this another? It's another Canadian stamp. Oh, I'm so glad you put that on there. That's so pretty. And she's layered it up on some paper, and she's used gold pen to highlight and make it beautiful, make it kind of fit together. Really, really pretty. Happy little moments. Those are the most important ones. Callie G. And that's her her YouTube and Instagram is Callie G. She was born, she's a July baby. She's been paper crafting since 2015. Her favorite colors are similar to Jovi's. She loves pinks, purple, mint, gold. Her crafting style and themes, she enjoys all of them. She's a seasonal crafter. Favorite crafty items, flowers, butterflies, bows, lace, trims, ephemera, journals. She's married, mother of 2, and she's a nurse practitioner. Callie, thank you so much for entering my challenge and sending this from Canada. I really love that and appreciate it. Love everything you ladies have sent. Let's fill out our map. Oh my goodness. Now, Canada obviously is not going to be on our map. So let's fill it in. Canada, we're going to put white because I think of cold when I think of Canada. I don't know. I don't know why. Canada, put it right here. Even though we know Canada is not right there. Canada. There's Canada. We've got one. Yay. Thank you so much, Callie. Okay, and then Jovi is in Florida, and she likes pinks and purples. And I want to use, let's use, oh man. I don't have a hot pink. Well, I do, but I used it. It doesn't matter. We're just going to use it again. Let's use it again. Let's color in Florida. You two are on the map. So thank you so much for your entries. They're beautiful, wonderful. I love them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So you guys, make sure you check them out. I'm going to put them, link them on the in the description box and put their information. We've got another state on here, so that's getting us closer to our goal of having all the states filled in. We've got lots of empties, so I need to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.